Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to talk about the electronic travel authorization for travel to Argentina. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So in order to get an ETA for Argentina, there are certain conditions you need to meet. First of all, like you must hold a valid ordinary passport and a valid these visa category issued by USA, or the applicant must be a foreigner national from a jurisdiction that is not required a visa to enter the above mentioned country. I mean USA. Holder of a valid ordinary diplomatic official service passport and has entered USA at least once in last 2 years, or must hold a ESTA noted by United States. Fine. So they have like direct linkage with this United States process. So like for example, I am from Canada, so I don't need to uh, I can apply for this ETA. Now there are few things that I would like to discuss. That the problem here is that why I cannot show you step by step to apply till the end is that first I have to pay the fee on this link, and then that registration number I'll be required to complete the online application transaction ID. Okay. Uh, you see. So that's why unfortunately I cannot show it to you, but at least I can explain the process, and that's what I'm doing. That after you pay the fee, you apply on the link, and then you complete the application, and if it is granted, you get an email, and with that email, you can travel to Argentina. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.